Good day, I am Meredy Valderrama and I will be your video lecturer for today.
Good day, I am LS1 Ham and I will be joining you today together with Ma'am Meredy.
Our topic for today is from module entitled Word Power 1 Lesson 2 Prefixes. But before that, I want to ask you something. Based on our previous topic, Lesson 1 root word, what is again the definition of the root word? Or do you have any idea what is the definition of prefix? Before we move on our next lesson, let us have a short reminder first.
Reminder, before watching the video lesson, make sure you answer first the pretest in the SMART-ALS Edmodo app.
Let's learn. One way of forming new word is by adding letters before its root word. These new elements are called prefixes. The prefix re means again. Replay means play again. Rewrite means write again. Reteach means teach again. Adding prefix to a root word changes its meaning.
Remember, prefix plus the root word is equal to new word. For example, the prefix re added to the root word play will form a new word, replay.
Prefix is a letter or group of letters added to the beginning of a word to make a new word. Let us move on to the examples of prefixes. Number 1. On, meaning not. If the prefix on is added to the root word happy, we will form a new word which is unhappy, meaning not happy or sad. Sentence, I am unhappy today. Here are other examples of words with the prefix on. We have unfinished, unfriendly, undone, unknown, and unlike. Our next prefix is re, which means again. If we put the prefix re and the root word play together, we will form a new word which is replay. It means to play again. Sentence, Leaves by Ben and Ben is my favorite song. I replay it 3 times a day. Here are another words with the prefix re. We have return, rediscover, reiterate, reunite, and recall. Our next prefix is pre, which means before. So, if we put the prefix pre and the root word test, we will have a new word which is pretest. It means a test prepared before certain things. It can be a lesson or product trial. Sentence, ALS learners, you should answer the pretest first before watching the video lesson. Here are other examples of word with the prefix pre. We have prefix, predetermine, pre-intermediate, and preview. Our next prefix is this, which means opposite of or not. If we put the prefix this and the root word respect, we will form a new word which is disrespect, meaning opposite of respect. Sentence: the street children I saw outside Star Mall San Jose del Monte disrespect the police officers. Here are another example of words having the prefix dis. We have disagree, disappear, distrust, disallow, disappoint, and disbelief. Our next example of prefix is miss. It means wrongly or wrong. If we put the prefix miss and the root word understood, we may form a new word that is misunderstood, meaning understand wrongly. Sentence: ALS learners from Barangay Gumaok misunderstood the announcement. Here are another examples of words having the prefix miss. We have mislead, misunderstanding, misbehave, misread, misspell, mishear, misplace, and misuse. Another example of prefix is under, meaning below. So, if we put the prefix under and the root word water, we may form a new word which is underwater. It means below the water. So let us have its sentence. Our underwater experience in Bacas River in Norzagaray, Bulacan is really unforgettable. Here are another example of words having the prefix under. We have underwater, underage, undercook, underline, and underweight. Now let us have our next example of prefix. We have try means 3 and by which means 2. So, if we put the prefix try and the root word cycle together, we formed a new word which is tricycle, meaning three-wheeled vehicle. And if we put the prefix by and the root word cycle, we may form a new word which is bicycle, meaning two-wheeled vehicle. So let us have the sentence. Mom Franny rides a tricycle in going to Citrus CLC, while Ma'am Danica uses her bicycle in going to Dulong Bayan CLC. Here are other examples of words having the prefix try and by. So let us have try first. We have triangle, tripod, tricycle, and tricolor. Now, let us have the prefix by. We have bicycle, biweekly, and biannual.
Let's remember, prefixes are placed at the beginning of or before a root word. Reminder, after watching the video lesson, make sure you answer the post test in SMART-ALS Edmodo app.
So that's it for today. I hope the definition of prefix and its examples are now clear to you. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video lesson.